Hey everybody, we're so excited to announce the Stokes Music Studios online recital. This is for all of our current students, our former students, and even students that aren't here yet. Students that will be coming in today and tomorrow just to get started. We're going to teach you a song and you're going to showcase your talent in our online recital. We'll shoot this video for you on the week of 10/14, or you can send it to us either way. And don't worry if you don't have an instrument yet, that's okay. We've got instruments. I've got youth guitars, youth size guitars, 3/4. I've got full size electric guitars, reasonably priced. I mean, this is the most awesome guitar. It's only $149. It plays great. We've got juniors. I've got Squire Fenders. Check out this junior electric right here, only $99. So come in and get started with music lessons. If you don't have an instrument, we've got one ready for you. We've got teachers on staff to accommodate all your scheduling needs. So give us a call. Get started today. Music's important.